Welcome everyone. Today we will discuss some frequently asked questions from Mr. Yashdeep Daya, CEO of Pharmadox Consultants. So the question is, where can we set up a cosmetics factory?
To set up a cosmetic factory, you shall choose government approved industrial area. For example, in Delhi it is DSIDC, in Haryana it is HSIIDC, some Punjab it's focal point. Likewise, you can ask your local body, local government that where is the government approved industrial area. And if you do not have government approved industrial area in your area, then you can use agricultural land, but you need to convert that agricultural land into industrial land. This is called change of land use. And you can also have some land where there is no NOC required. Okay, so no CLU is required. You can choose that land also. So carefully you have to choose the land, because if you don't choose the correct land, you won't get cosmetic manufacturing license.
Thank you. And how much is an expense for setting up a cosmetics manufacturing factory?
See, expense depends upon which sections you are setting up. There are several sections. To set up a cream, shampoo, hair oil, moisturizer in a rented building, you need at least 35 lakh. But if you want to set up other sections like powders, deodorants, perfumes, toilet soap, eye, kajal, liner, etc., then the cost can go into crores.
And what is the requirement for the technical staff that we need to hire? The staff which is required to obtain a manufacturing license?
See, as per the cosmetics rules 2020, we need intermediate, means 10 plus 2 with science person to get license. But there is some flaw in government online cosmetics application system, where they don't accept any qualification below BSc or B Pharma. So it's better to go with two persons who have BSc qualification or B Pharma.
And where can we apply this license?
License can be applied through the online portal of CDSEO. So you have to apply this license online to your state drugs office or state FDA or state licensing authority.
The license, once granted, will be valid for a period of how many years?
Cosmetics manufacturing license is having validity perpetual, means it is unlimited valid. Okay, but after every 5 years you have to deposit license fees.
How much time will it take to set up this plant?
If you are doing it in a rented building, so generally it takes 2 to 3 months. But if you are making it from scratch, means you are constructing your building also, so it may take up to 1 year to set up the cosmetics plant and also to get the license.
What is the government fees for this license?
Rupees 10,000 is the government fees to obtain cosmetics manufacturing license on Cost 08 form.
How much area is required to set up a cosmetics manufacturing facility?
See, if you want to set up a cream section, then you need 2,000 square foot minimum area. But it depends upon your production, means how big production you can do. You may need 10,000 square foot, even 20,000 square foot area may become short. So it all depends upon what products you are going to make and what capacity you are going.
Which different NOCs are required to get a cosmetics manufacturing license?
See, the basic requirement is fire NOC and pollution NOC.
Okay, and what all are the documents required to get this license?
See, to get cosmetic license, you need your company documents like partnership deed or your MOA, AOA or your GST certificate, your trademark certificate. Then you need rent agreement or registry of your, means ownership proof of your factory, and technical staff documents, ID proofs of all the directors, then formulation list, layout, machines list, various NOCs, fire pollution, water testing reports. So this type of some general documents are required, and yes, some affidavits, some forms have to be filled, which we Pharmadox consultant can help you in doing it.
And one final question, the license is granted on which form for manufacturing cosmetics?
License is granted on COS 08. So if you are willing to set up a cosmetics plant, you can contact 9996859227. We will be happy to help you in obtaining license also. Thank you.